You may already know that Hitachi Connected Technology offers you a range of market-leading 3D machine control and special attachment solutions, and a unique fleet management solution to enhance the efficiency and safety of your Hitachi equipment. But you may not know that it's also available for other new equipment in your fleet, including other brands of excavators and other types of machinery. We can also retrofit HCT solutions to the current operated equipment in your fleet, and our specially trained engineers can come to you and do this on-site for your added convenience. So, it doesn't have to be orange, it doesn't have to be new, and it doesn't have to be done at HCT HQ. Keep your entire fleet connected with Hitachi Connected Technology.